Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an elevated command prompt. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Once done, inspect your network state with ipconfig/all so you know the current addresses and DNS. Make sure to note any static IP, gateway, or DNS entries before changing anything. Now flush DNS and clear caches to remove stale entries. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This starts the reset process while preserving your ability to restore original settings if required. With admin rights still active, run netch winsock reset to return socket settings to defaults. This fixes many application-level failures. Then run netch int IP reset to rewrite TCP/IP registry keys and remove corrupted parameters. Once those commands complete, make sure to release and renew DHCP leases if you use dynamic addressing. ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew. If you use static addressing, reapply your saved settings now. After these steps, the stack is rebuilt and ready for a final reboot. Reboot the machine to ensure all resets take effect, and then verify connectivity. Run ipconfig/all to confirm IP and DNS and ping 8 to test routing. Make sure to test name resolution with ping Google.com. If IP works but names fail, revisit DNS settings. Finally, if things still fail, check the network adapter driver status in Device Manager and temporarily disable third-party firewall or VPN software. This one troubleshooting tip: check drivers and security software often resolve stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.